So the point of discussion for this video is, can I incorporate a company in BVI? BVI stands for British Virgin Islands or any such offshore jurisdictions and open a bank account for it in Singapore. Can a foreign company open a bank account in Singapore? So this is slightly different from what we have discussed so far. Here the question is, can a company which is registered in foreign jurisdiction, can it open a bank account in Singapore? So just for clarity, this is a map of the world, and let's say that there is a company in India or maybe in France or maybe in United States, and they are not incorporating a new company here in Singapore. Instead, for their companies in these respective jurisdictions, they are looking for opening up a bank account only in Singapore. So let's proceed ahead. Now first of all, let me make it clear that it is possible to open the bank account, and I will explain you in this presentation. So to begin with, first of all, there are two categories of clients that I observed in this space. The first category is normally people are having companies or they are intending to register companies in BVI. BVI, as I said, stands for British Virgin Islands or any other offshore locations like Cayman Islands, maybe Seychelles, Marshall Islands, and so on. And what basically they are looking for is a privacy and an investment holding entity. It might be used for investment income and so on. So basically people have some money at their disposal and they want to use it in a proper way and want to do tax planning, and they also want to get some good investment returns. That is why they are looking for this kind of structure. Now, as you might be knowing, BVI companies offer significant privacy. So the name of the director and shareholders is not publicly available. So if you have a company, nobody will know that you are the owner as a shareholder or the director of such a BVI company. And the second category of clients normally comes from other jurisdictions and they are looking for account for operational convenience. Example may be ease of remittance or ability to manage account in foreign currency and so on. For example, some countries in Asia Pacific region have stringent foreign currency regulations. So they don't allow companies in their jurisdiction to keep balances in US dollars. But there are some companies which need this kind of facility. For example, some IT startups, they may need this because they might be charging in US dollars to worldwide clients and they might be actually paying in US dollars. So this is another category of clients which require these services. So what are the options for these two types of clients? So the first one is a normal operations bank account with an established bank. So not all banks will open a bank account in Singapore for a foreign entity. Only few banks are doing this. So you can get a normal operations bank account with an established bank. Or you can open up a private banking account with a reputed banks in Singapore. So again, both these categories have few players providing these services. The first part, normal operations bank account, is concentrating on those companies who need it more for operational purpose and convenience of foreign currency holdings and so on. Whereas the private banking account setup is more suitable for people who are looking at for investment and wealth management perspective. So when it comes to normal operations bank account, the typical terms are minimum balance to be kept in the bank account should be $10,000. If it falls below 10,000 Singapore dollars, then they will charge additional 100 Singapore dollars per month by way of a service fee. Account setup fee will be around 500 US dollars, and other standard banking features like internet banking, debit card, online transfers, everything will be available in this. So note here that the minimum balance is higher than what is normally required for a Singapore registered entity. Now comes the second part. So if you are looking at for wealth planning and investment management, then this private banking account with reputed banks will typically provide these services, kind of a family office and wealth management solutions. And the money that you put in these accounts is not normally used for transactions. It is basically going to be invested somewhere depending upon the scheme that you choose. And the typical investment these private bankers will look for will need to be upward of 1 million Singapore dollars. So if it is less than that, most probably they may not accept your account. So what is required to start the process? Few points that I want to highlight here, that opening a bank account for foreign businesses is a bit longer process, because the business as well as the people behind that business both are going to be staying overseas. Banks and private banks will do their own KYC, and that can take some time. When it comes to the company documents, your company memorandum and articles of association should contain, or in other words, it should not contain some specific clauses. So that needs to be checked. Also, additional documents may need to be ordered from the registry in foreign jurisdiction. So if you already have a BVI company and if you have registered it few years back, then that may not be enough. You may need to order some fresh documents from the registry which must be issued in last 3 months before the details can be provided to the banker for opening the bank account. So one suggestion that I can give you here is to get a good corporate secretarial firm for you to manage this process, because the account rejection can be high for certain cases if the process is not managed well. So how we can help in this process? So we can help you to incorporate a BVI company with all right documents. So when you incorporate, we will ensure that all the documents and all the clauses, everything is right in order. If you are opening an account for existing company, then we can check the documents and ensure those are in order. We can also guide you which additional documents needs to be ordered from your BVI or Seychelles company incorporation agent. We can introduce you to the banker and private banker of your choice. So depending upon your investment appetite, we can introduce you to couple of private bankers or the regular banker. We can go through your case and confirm likely chances of bank account opening. So even before you fly to Singapore, we will give you idea of this. So in summary, opening a bank account or a private banking account in Singapore for a foreign company is possible. However, balance requirements can be slightly higher. At Epica, we provide services both for bank introduction as well as BVI incorporation.
Thank you for watching this video. This video was brought to you by Epica Consulting Singapore. Subscribe to our channel today to get notified when new videos are posted.